Good morning, frePPLe users. Today I will show you how you can pull your data from frePPLe into Excel using the data source feature. So the first thing you want to do is move to the page that you want to export. Here it's the sales order and press the export dialog. You will see here a data source URL. So simply copy this link. I'm clicking on the copy to clipboard button. Then I need to open an Excel file. And from this Excel file, new Excel file, I will go to the data tab. In the data tab, I have the new query button. If this button is missing, it means that you might have an old version of Excel and you might need to install the Power Query module. So I'm clicking on new query, then from other sources, from web. And here I simply paste the URL, pressing OK. Then Excel is going to ask me for my credential. I need to go to the basic tab here and then enter my frePPLe credentials, login password. This is HTTPS, so completely secure. You can put them here, connect. So you see here that Excel has been able to retrieve the data from frePPLe. So before loading the data, you might want to transform the data because here you will have absolutely all the columns of the sales order table. So you might want to rearrange that, change the order, or maybe delete some columns. So this is at your convenience. You can change the order, or you can even like delete some column you're not interested in, and then close and load. So this will pull all the data from the sales order table from your frePPLe instance into Excel. Then the next time the sales order will be refreshed in frePPLe and you want to have the latest picture of the sales order, you simply come here and you refresh the data. By refreshing the data, this will pull again the data from frePPLe and you will have the latest picture. So you don't need to go back into frePPLe and re-export again into your Excel file. Thank you.